Hi students, in last class we discussed the importance of pH. Now we will continue that class. Acids, bases and salts. More about salts. Family of salts. What is the meaning of family of salts? Salts having the same positive or negative radicals or ions are said to be belongs to a family. Generally, a salt contains two ions, cation and anion. Positive ion is called cation and negative ion is called anion. Salts having the same positive or negative radicals nothing but ions, are said to belongs to a family. For example, NaCl, sodium chloride and sodium sulfate. Sodium chloride and sodium sulfate contain same positive ion, that is sodium. So they belongs to sodium family. Similarly, sodium chloride and potassium chloride both contain same negative ion, that is chloride ion. So they belongs to chloride salts. Salts having the same positive or negative radicals are said to be a family. Here we can see salts which having different colors. Hydrate salts. First one is cobalt nitrate, second one is calcium nitrate, and third one is nickel sulfate, and fourth one is magnesium sulfate, fifth one is copper sulfate, and sixth one is chromium potassium sulfate. Here remember the color of copper sulfate, which is in blue. When it is mixed with 5 moles of water, it appeared in blue color. If we heat that copper sulfate, water will evaporate and blue color copper sulfate will turns into white color. Now we will see the uses of the salts. Ammonium chloride is used in torch batteries. Ammonium nitrate used in fertilizers. Calcium chloride used as a drying agent. Iron sulfide used in iron tablets. Magnesium sulfate. Iron sulfate used in iron tablets. Magnesium sulfate used in medicine. Potassium nitrate used in gunpowder, used in explosives. Silver bromide used in photography. Sodium chloride used in making NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Sodium chloride is nothing but our common salt, which is used as a food. Sodium stearate used in making soap. These are the uses of the some salts. pH of salts. Already we discussed pH scale. Negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration is called pH scale, and we discussed about acid base reaction, that is nothing but neutralization reaction. When acid is react with base, it forms salt and water. Here salt of strong acid and strong base. If strong acid react with strong base, a salt which is formed is neutral and pH value of that salt is 7. Salt of strong acid and strong base are neutral with pH value 7. For example, hydrochloric acid is strong acid and sodium hydroxide is strong base. By adding hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide, it forms sodium chloride, which is nothing but our common salt. This is neutral. pH value of neutral is 7. pH value of the neutral salt is 7. Salt of a strong acid and weak base. Here acid is strong and base is weak or acidic, because here acid is strong. That's why salt having acidic characteristics. For acids, for acidic character solution, pH value is less than 7. For example, here HCl is the strong acid and ammonium hydroxide is the weak base. Here ammonium chloride will formed. This is acidic salt. For acidic salt, pH value is less than 7. The salt of a strong base and weak acid. Here base is strong and acid is weak. So a salt formed by strong base and weak acid is basic in nature with pH value more than 7. Here we can see acetic acid is the weak acid and sodium hydroxide is the strong base. So sodium acetate is formed. This sodium acetate having basic characteristics. So pH value of this salt is more than 7. Chemicals from common salt. Common salt chemical formula sodium chloride, NaCl. The salt formed by combination of hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide solution is called sodium chloride. This is the salt that we used in food. It is a neutral salt. Already we discussed when hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide, it forms sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is the neutral salt because hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide are strong acids and bases. So NaCl, sodium chloride is the neutral salt. This is used in food. Seawater contains many salts dissolved in it. Sodium chloride is separated from these salts. Seawater contains many salts dissolved in it. Among them, sodium chloride is important salt. It is separated from these salts. Deposits of the solid salt are also found in several parts of the world. These large crystals are often brown due to impurities. These deposits contain impurities. That's why they appear in brown in color. This is called rock salt. These deposits are called rock salt. Beds of rock salt were formed when sea of bygone ages dried up. When sea of bygone ages dried up, rock salt is minute like a coal. Coal is minute. We know that. Similarly, rock salt also minute like a coal and it will be purified. Sodium hydroxide. Chemical formula NaOH. When electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Important this one. Aqueous solution of sodium chloride is called brine solution. When electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride, it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide. Sodium chloride formula NaCl. When electricity is passed through this solution, it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide. Here brine solution is a mixture of sodium chloride and water. Aqueous means water. The process called chloroalkali process because the product formed chloro for chlorine and alkali for sodium hydroxide. In this reaction, products are the chlorine and sodium hydroxide. That's why this is called chloroalkali process. Sodium hydroxide is the alkali and chlorine is evolved. So it is called chloroalkali process. Chemical equation is sodium chloride react with water. The mixture of sodium chloride and water is called brine solution. Remember, it is very important. The mixture of sodium chloride and water is called brine solution. When electricity is passed through brine solution, it forms sodium hydroxide, chlorine gas and hydrogen gas. This process is called chloroalkali process. Chlorine gas is given off at the anode and hydrogen gas at the cathode. Sodium hydroxide solution is formed near the cathode. Here chlorine gas is given off at the anode and hydrogen gas is at the cathode. Sodium hydroxide is formed near the cathode. The three products produced in this process are all useful. These are very useful. Already you know cation is a positive charged ion. For example, Na plus is a cation. Anion is a negative charged ion. Cl minus is the negative charged ion. Negative charged ion is called cation. Here don't confuse here. Cation is a positive charged ion, anion is a negative charged ion. But cathode is a negative charged electrode. Cathode is a negative charged electrode. Cation is a positive charged ion, cathode is a negative charged electrode. Anion is a negative charged ion, anode is a positive charged electrode. During chemical reaction, during electrolysis, cation will attract toward cathode. So, chlorine gas is given off at the anode and hydrogen gas is given off at the cathode. Here we can see apertures which is used in chloroalkali process. Here chlorine gas is given off at the anode. Anode having positive charged electrode, and hydrogen gas is given off at the cathode. Cathode having negative charged electrode. At the cathode, hydrogen gas is given off, and at the anode, chlorine gas and sodium hydroxide are formed. These are the uses of the hydrogen. Hydrogen is used in fuels, margarine, ammonia, which is used in fertilizers. And chlorine gas is used in water treatment, used in swimming pools, used in the preparation of polyvinyl chloride, that is called PVC, and used in disinfectants, and used in chlorofluorocarbon CFCs, and used in pesticides. Sodium hydroxide is used in degreasing metals to remove grease, and also used in the preparation of soaps, detergents, used in the preparation of paper and artificial fibers. When hydrogen and chlorine react with each other, they form hydrochloric acid. It is used in cleaning steel, and also used in the preparation of ammonium chloride, medicines, cosmetics. Now we will discuss about bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine on dry Slackle lime. Bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine on dry Slackle lime. Slackle lime is nothing but calcium hydroxide, lime water. Bleaching powder is represented by CaOCl, though the actual composition is a quite complex. Here, when chlorine gas is passed through Slackle lime, it forms bleaching powder, CaOCl2 and water. Actually, bleaching powder is represented by CaOCl2, but it is a quite complex. It having a composition of quite complex. Here we can see composition of the bleaching powder. In the bleaching powder, one chlorine having +1 oxidation state and one chlorine having -1 oxidation state. This is very important. In bleaching powder, one chlorine having +1 oxidation state and one chlorine having -1 oxidation state. Uses of bleaching powder. For bleaching cotton and linen in the textile industry. In textile industry, for bleaching. Bleaching means removing color. For bleaching wood pulp in paper factories, and for bleaching washed cloths in laundry. Used as a bleaching agent. As an oxidizing agent in many chemical industries. Bleaching powder also used as a oxidizing agent because it having one oxygen. So it can give oxygen, that's why it is act as a oxidizing agent. For disinfecting drinking water to make it free of germs. We know that bleaching powder is used to prepare disinfecting drinking water to make it free of germs, and also used as a reagent in the preparation of chloroform. Chloroform chemical formula CHCl3. CHCl3. Next one, baking soda. The soda commonly used in the kitchen for making tasty crispy pakoras is baking soda. Baking soda is nothing but which is used in kitchen for making tasty and crispy pakoras. Sometimes it is added for faster cooking. The chemical name of compound is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, also called as sodium bicarbonate. That is nothing but baking soda. It is produced using sodium chloride as one of the raw material. When we use sodium chloride as one of the raw material, when sodium chloride react with water, carbon dioxide and ammonia, it forms ammonium chloride and baking soda. It is a mild non-corrosive base. It is a mild non-corrosive base, and the following reaction takes place when it is heated during cooking. When it is heated, following reaction takes place. Sodium bicarbonate dissociate to sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide. This is of sodium hydrogen carbonate, nothing but baking soda. For making baking powder, which is a mixture of baking soda. Baking powder is a mixture of baking soda and mild edible acid such as tartaric acid. Remember, the mixture of baking soda and tartaric acid is called baking powder. When baking powder is heated or mixed in water, the following reaction takes place. Here, baking powder, which is mixture of baking soda and tartaric acid. Here tartaric acid release H plus ions. So when it is react with water or when it is heated, it release carbon dioxide gas, water and sodium salt of the tartaric acid. Sodium salt of the tartaric acid. Carbon dioxide produced during the reaction causes bread or cake to rise, making them soft and spongy. Here carbon dioxide gas is evolved. This gas makes the bread or cake to rise, them soft and spongy. Due to evaluation of carbon dioxide gas, bread or cake will become soft and spongy. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, also used as ingredient in antacids, because it having basic nature. It also used in antacids. It neutralizes the excess acid in the stomach and provide relief. Already we discussed milk of magnesia. Magnesium hydroxide is used in antacids, and also baking soda also used in antacids. It is also used in soda acid fire extinguisher. It is used to put out fires because here carbon dioxide gas is evolved. This carbon dioxide gas is a good fire extinguisher. It acts as a mild antiseptic. It also used as antiseptic. Next one, washing soda. Another chemical that can be obtained from sodium chloride is Na2CO3 10H2O. Sodium carbonate and 10 moles of water. That is nothing but washing soda. You have seen above that sodium carbonate can be obtained by heating baking soda. Recrystallization of sodium carbonate gives washing soda. It is also a basic salt. Here recrystallization. When sodium carbonate reacts with 10 moles of water, it forms washing soda. Recrystallization of sodium carbonate gives washing soda. Uses of washing soda. Sodium carbonate is used in glass, soap and paper industries. It is used in glass, soap and paper industries. It is used in manufacture of sodium compounds such as borax. It is used in manufacture of sodium compounds such as borax, which is used as a carom board powder. Sodium carbonate can be used as a cleaning agent for domestic purpose. It also used as a cleaning agent. It is used for removing permanent oddness of water. Here, water classified into two types: hard water, soft water. A water which gives lather Which soap is called soft water. A water which cannot give lather with soap is called hard water. To remove hardness of the water, this washing soda is used. To show the water of crystallization. This is very important. This question is given in public examination June 2016 and 17. Take few crystals of copper sulfate in a dry test tube and heat the test tube. Take few crystals of copper sulfate which is in blue color. Take them in a dry test tube and heat the test tube. We observe water droplets on the walls of the test tube because a copper sulfate which is in blue color contain 5 moles of water. When we heat them, these 5 moles of the water will evaporate. Here we can see when we heat the copper sulfate, we can see the water droplets on the walls of the test tube. The blue color copper sulfate crystal is lost and substance has become white. When we heat blue color copper sulfate, it turns into white because 5 moles of the water molecule removed. When water molecule is removed, blue color copper sulfate is turns into white. Add 2 or 3 drops of water on the sample of the copper sulfate obtained after heating. Again add 2 or 3 drops of water. Again you will observe that a copper sulfate which is in white color again turns into blue color. The blue color of copper sulfate is restored. Water of crystallization is the fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of a salt. Water of crystallization is the fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of a salt. Already we discussed 5 water molecules are present in one formula unit of copper sulfate. Chemical formula for hydrated copper sulfate is CuSO4 5H2O. In this 5 water molecules are present. One other salt which possesses water of crystallization is gypsum. Gypsum also contains water of crystallization. It has 2 water molecules as a water of crystallization. It has the formula CaSO4 2H2O. Gypsum chemical formula CaSO4 2H2O. Hydrated copper sulfate chemical formula CuSO4 5H2O. Plaster of Paris chemical formula is CaSO4 half H2O. On heating gypsum at 373 kelvins, it loses water molecule and become calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Hemi means half. Hemi means half. This is called plaster of Paris. When gypsum is heated, gypsum chemical formula is CaSO4 2H2O. When gypsum is heated at 373 kelvins, 1.5 molecules of water, 1.5 mole of water is removed. So it forms plaster of Paris which having chemical formula CaSO4 half H2O. It is used by doctors to support fractured bones in a right position. Plaster of Paris used by doctors, used as a plaster for supporting fractured bones in the right position. Plaster of Paris is a white powder and on mixing with water it changes to gypsum, once again giving a hard solid mass. Gypsum is a hard solid mass. When plaster of Paris react with water, it will form gypsum. Here CaSO4 half H2O is the plaster of Paris. When it react with 1.5 moles of water, it will form gypsum. Gypsum chemical formula is CaSO4 2H2O. It is written in this form because 2 formula units of CaSO4 share 1 molecules of water. In plaster of Paris, Two formula units of CaSO4 share one molecule of water. Plaster of Paris formula is CaSO4 half H2O, or you can write 2 CaSO4 1 H2O. That means two formula units of CaSO4 share one molecule of water. Plaster of Paris is used for making toys. Already we discussed it. Also used by the doctors to set the fractured bone in right position. It also used for making toys, and also used for decoration and making surface smooth. It also used in ceilings. It also used to make surface smooth, and also it is used in making toys and idols. This is the acid, bases and salts lesson. Students, all of you make notes, prepare well.